to the Ask Ashley segment. The next question up is, what happens if I make a mistake on my tax return? First, I want to make sure that you are aware. I know that a lot of people aren't, but the IRS will correct simple mistakes, such as like math errors or missed forms or missing information. Now, if you've forgotten to attach a form to your tax return, the IRS may send a notice asking for missing information, but for just small mathematical errors, the IRS will actually correct these issues for you. Now, when your return has been substantially understated, then definitely expect a letter in the mail. If you owe more taxes, definitely expect a letter in the mail. If you may be due a refund, believe it or not, the Internal Revenue Service will send you a letter. Contrary to what a lot of people believe, they will send you a letter stating that they've made a mistake. They may owe you, penalty back interest, or maybe a refund. Maybe they miscalculated your tax return. But if you have made a mistake on your tax return and you need to correct this mistake, such as income, maybe you missed a deduction, a credit, or maybe you've even selected the wrong filing status, I will highly suggest that you go ahead and amend your tax return before the IRS even sends you a letter. Now, the risk of an audit can only result from significant errors. If you receive a notice about your mistake, it is essential you respond promptly and correct the issue to avoid any further complications. Now, to prevent these mistakes, you want to make sure, and I advise all of my clients in my office, before you file your tax return, if you are unsure of all the income that you've made for the year, or even what documents that or tax documents that you are expected to receive, I encourage that you visit the Internal Revenue Service website and download your account and wage transcripts so you can actually see all the income and documents that has been reported to the Internal Revenue Service, and you can use this as a guide to correctly file your tax return. I hope this information helps. Like, subscribe, and comment.